So today it's going to be taking out this tar mat. So at the boot it's good, it's okay. I'll take you around the car. Let's go in and you will see we are taking out this tar mat. Okay, so this tar mat is actually here to reduce the road noise. So we have to take it out to verify that the body is good and there is no rust, and we will re-put a new tar mat. Okay, so that's today's job anyway. There's a lot of work in here, and we need to remove this cover, the top cover. Basically it is for the protection of noise, to reduce the road noise. So this cover has to come out of the whole car, and you can see, it's all coming in nice and clean, but there is a lot of work. Okay. Okay, the cleaning is going on. Looking pretty good, huh? So once your tar mat is off, you need to give it some good sanding. Okay. So finally there's a good paint job done, and we have put some sound deadening paint which is black in color. It's available in the market, and there you go. It's all painted and good and clean. Okay, so we'll keep it to rest for the time being and work on it later. All right. So today is another good day, full of energy. You will see, I will show you how we have put the sound deadening paint into the car, and now the work for this bottom panel is almost finished. All right. Okay, there you go. You can see the back of the car, the storage is all well painted with the sound deadening paint. A lovely coat in there. It's gone in. Take you inside the driver's seat, and you will see neat and clean painting, well painted, and it's getting better all around, and on the non-driver's seat too. So it's all painted at the moment, and looking for a 24-hour drying time, and that's the beauty. She's getting there, just taking a bit of time, but she is definitely getting there. And now it's covered for the day. Let the car sleep a bit. It also needs a little bit of rest, isn't it? All right.